choose a medium course because they said the river is not that good because of the recent typhoon. So they rather, for tourist safety, they rather have start here. But if you wanted to do the extreme, it is better that you go in December. That's what they said. So you can do the extreme and you can start from really far from there.
Way up the river.
Way up there.
So it's a pretty big bummer that it's just gonna be us getting sunburned in the boat, I think.
You can also see that the river is not that strong.
What the hell is this? They're squishing my balls. Why? I don't understand. I don't have to wear this.
If we have a daughter, I'll bring her.
Oh yeah, just strap it to your chest and go.
Not super baby!
Welcome to our beloved office, the Cagayan De Oro River. Now you're standing, this is Cagayan De Oro side, and if we are facing downstream, all right side is Bukidnon side, province of Bukidnon, and the other side is Cagayan De Oro side, Misamis Oriental. What if the boat will capsize? The first priority of the guide is the boat, because the boat is very expensive. Just kidding.
I sleep.